Friends, only a healthy person can truly enjoy life. And to stay healthy, good food is necessary before medicines. That's why HealCart has brought for you pure and healthy products for daily use, which is authentic and helps in keeping you strong and healthy, such as natural and pure honey, Bilona Desi cow ghee, cold pressed premium mustard oil, pure turmeric powder, Desi khand, and many more. HealCart will deliver the products safely at your doorsteps with assured quality and reasonable prices at scheduled time by following all the necessary protocols. HealCart selects farms, sellers, or suppliers only after checking the quality standards so that purity and quality of the products are maintained, which is done by checking food licensing, packaging, and manufacturing process. So friends, if you want to include these healthy products in your lifestyle, then place your order today on our website www.healcart.in or on our WhatsApp number 946 540 1338.